Dear students, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 30 plus 75 upon 25 times 5 square minus 80 divided by 2. This expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of E stands for exponent. We should start with exponent. 5 square is equal to 25 is equal to 30 plus 75 upon 25 times 25 minus 80 divided by 2. Cut it like this. 25, 25, cut it. Is equal to 30 plus 75 minus 80 divided by 2. D stands for division. Now we do the division between minus 80 and 2. माइनस 80 को 2 से डिवाइड करने पर आंसर -40 इज इक्वल टू 30 प्लस 75 -40. Addition and subtraction hold the same equal priority. So we must start from the left and move toward the right. Perform these operations in order. Now we do the addition between 30 and 75. एडिशन करने पर इज इक्वल टू 105 minus 40. Now we do the subtraction between 105 and 40. 105 से 40 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर is equal to 65. 65 is the correct answer. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. व्हिडिओला लाईक शेअर आणि कमेंट करा. सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल.